Hi, welcome to Beads and Beyond. Today we are going to be reviewing the April Treasury bags from the Potomac Beads company. All of these materials are inside these bags. We have beading cable, Miyuki seed beads 8O in a color tea rose, perfect form drops, and they're 99.9 silver plated. I'm going to make two pair of earrings with these ones. We have 4mm face round beads, 7mm face round beads. We have these pastel egg beads. They're so pretty. The colors are beautiful. I'm going to make a stretch bracelet with them and also a wire wrap bracelet. So I'm going to try to make two bracelets with these beads. We have these flat rondelles, check long bicons, Potomac Beads crystal bicons, we have this tool and this is perfect to measure our beads. I usually like to use it when I am measuring my jewelry to see how the height or the width, so I can add it to the description box in my products. We have these peanut beads. These Vivo beads, I love the color. We have these buttons. Also, flower mixed roses. With these charm butterflies, I'm going to be making a pair of earrings. Round duo beads in white lilac luster, square nugget beads, and finally we have these glass leaf beads. Please don't forget to visit the Potomac Beads so you can buy your treasury bags and get all these materials. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like, leave me some comments, and let me know what would you like to see. Until next time.